afterwards, and with a special effects that the sky will be like the color will be like darkened because it will be like day to night with cool effects, cool pattern effects with. And if we pass the trees and the score in the bottom and in this position, the score, this is called score will increase. Like, let's start how we make the game. So this is the script of the tree. In our tree there is only one costume. You can add any more costume. That's your choice, but my choice is like this. And this is the first script of this tree. There, when I start as a clone, go to back layer, show, and this way. Okay, so let's look. So this is last of this. Delete this clip. Okay, now because of this you have to set speed. If you don't set speed, the trees will be very come fast of us. Because of non set speed, we had already tried the repeat free, so it will be many fast, means I think too much fast. So we have to set speed to 0.1, and this is a set size. This multiply by speed, and set y to this and speed. And it's look, these are the differences. Look, some differences here. X position is greater than and Y position is, and its position is smaller than. So this is the most important things that you can know. And this is when I receive right, change X by -10, okay? And then when I receive left, change X by 10. And it's important because it will not go to right or left if you don't use this script. And now this is when clicked. This is the creating clone of 0.1 seconds. Wait, and this is the most serious thing. That's the time. This is the timer code, and forever with the seconds, we divided it by and change time by 1. Let's go to ahead. I named this ahead. Okay, so this is it has costume that I made. With one costume I cut this and like this. Okay, in the look, this is the difference. So when click, go to X34 position and XY minus -163, and it is the position. And forever switch to ahead. And of this, and switch costume to right because it's the costume name is the costume name is right. Look, the name is right, and this is called left. And this is called ahead. It means it's directionally to front. And this is also, and this is pride. So there is no script. Oh my god. Oh, that's my brother called. He's like happy. So, and this is called the Rocky Mountain, and I made this mountain. Okay, it's a costume that I make, and name